Hi, this is Fizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to manage how people find you on PayPal account. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. PayPal is financial technology company which offers online payment services to individuals and businesses. Its core service revolve around electronic payments by acting an intermediary between people and businesses to let you send money to your friends or shop securely online. PayPal operates across almost every country in the world and has astonishing uh, more than 30 hundred active accounts. So, how? On my previous video, I've shown you how to create PayPal account, how to send uh, request payment, and the other video about PayPal. Now, what if you want to manage how people can find your PayPal account? It's very simple. First of all, of course, you have to open our PayPal. You can log it into your account on your mobile phone or PC or laptop. Now you can just go to settings. You can select on settings in here. Now you can go to data and privacy. From data and privacy, you'll find there is an option search privacy. And here you can manage how people find you when sending and requesting payment. You can just select on that. So in here, you can give other confidence they are reaching the right person when sending and requesting payment. If you want, if you don't want people find you by your name, you can just disable this. So people only can find you by your username and also by phone and also your email and the link if you that you give. Now in here, you can also disable by username if you don't want, or you can just disable all this if you don't want anyone can find you on PayPal by your data like your name, username, and email or phone number. So here's where you can manage how people can find you on PayPal. It's very simple, right? So that is how to manage how people can find you on PayPal. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.